Mastering RCM implementation. We fetishize KPIs to mask RCM's dark underbelly. Why do we utilize specific key performance indicators, KPIs, to gauge the success of our reliability-centered maintenance implementation, and what are these KPIs that enable us to assess its effectiveness? In the context of implementing reliability-centered maintenance, RCM, it is essential to utilize specific key performance indicators, KPIs, to gauge the success of the program. These KPIs enable organizations to assess the effectiveness of their RCM implementation, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their maintenance strategies. One of the primary KPIs used to measure the success of RCM implementation is mean time between failures, MTBF. MTBF measures the average time between equipment failures, providing insights into the reliability of assets and the effectiveness of maintenance activities. An increase in MTBF indicates that the RCM program is successful in reducing equipment downtime and improving overall reliability. Another critical KPI is mean time to repair, MTTR, which measures the average time required to repair or replace failed equipment. A decrease in MTTR suggests that maintenance teams are responding more efficiently to equipment failures, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, is also a vital KPI for RCM implementation. E measures the percentage of time that equipment is available for production, taking into account factors such as planned maintenance, unplanned downtime, and production rate. An increased E indicates that the RCM program is successful in improving equipment availability, reducing downtime, and optimizing production. In addition, organizations should track the planned maintenance percentage, PMP, to assess the effectiveness of their RCM implementation. PMP measures the percentage of maintenance activities that are planned and scheduled, rather than reactive. A high PMP indicates that the organization is proactive in its maintenance approach, reducing unplanned downtime and improving overall reliability. Other essential KPIs for RCM implementation include 1. Maintenance cost as a percentage of replacement asset value, MCR. This KPI measures the maintenance cost as a percentage of the replacement asset value, providing insights into the cost effectiveness of the maintenance program. 2. Schedule compliance. This KPI measures the percentage of scheduled maintenance activities that are completed on time, indicating the organization's ability to execute its maintenance plan effectively. 3. Work order backlog. This KPI measures the number of outstanding work orders, providing insights into the organization's ability to manage its maintenance workload and respond to equipment failures efficiently. 4. Root cause failure analysis, RCFA, percentage. This KPI measures the percentage of failures analyzed to identify the root cause, indicating the organization's commitment to understanding and addressing the underlying causes of equipment failures. 5. Maintenance backlog days. This KPI measures the average number of days that maintenance work orders are delayed, providing insights into the organization's ability to manage its maintenance workload and respond to equipment failures efficiently. 6. Spare parts inventory turns. This KPI measures the number of times spare parts inventory is replenished within a specified period, indicating the organization's ability to manage its inventory levels and reduce waste. 7. Maintenance overtime percentage. This KPI measures the percentage of maintenance hours worked as overtime, providing insights into the organization's ability to manage its maintenance workforce effectively. 8. Training and competency level. This KPI measures the level of training and competency of maintenance personnel, indicating the organization's commitment to developing the skills and knowledge of its maintenance workforce. By tracking and analyzing these KPIs, organizations can assess the effectiveness of their RCM implementation, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their maintenance strategies and achieve operational excellence.